Hi guys, Fred.Zent here, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Eclipse Attitude. It's a 3.2 IBG. Come on in, I'm going to show you this nice toy hauler. So when you're at the RV park or the dunes and your toys are outside, you got two. These are a multi-use option. It's a side-by-side dinette, or it makes as a bed and then you have a bunk above. So when it's a side-by-side dinette, you have two tables here. Over here you got a nice jackknife sofa that will turn into a bed, a removable table, and then you got two swivel rockers with the table here, and then you got plenty of storage up here for your boots, your helmets, all your riding gear. On the other side, you got more storage, as you can see. Got a nice microwave. You got a 3-burner stove. Your oven. You got plenty of covered space. Got 3 full extending drawers. Got a 1-piece Corian countertop with a nice deep stainless steel sink and a residential faucet. Nice backsplash with a little holder for knickknacks. Dual door fridge. And then you got a nice little TV up here as well. Down here you got a big old subwoofer. Come on into the bathroom. In the bathroom you can hang clothes up, put towels. You got 2 full extending drawers here. Nice shower. It's a corner shower with a glass shower enclosure. You got a vanity here. Dual door. You can put your toilet paper, paper towels. Come on into the bedroom. This one's got a little wardrobe slide out. And then you have little cubbies on each side of the bed, drawers that come out, storage above on both sides, and then another wardrobe on both sides as well. You got a full-size power awning with LED lighting. You got floodlights and outside speakers on both sides. Back here you got 2 huge floodlights on the back. So if you're backing up, you're going to be able to see where you're going. Ladder to the roof. You got your fill station here, your where you put the gas in. Outside shower. In here, there's a Onan 4,000 watt generator. Nice power tongue jack with 2 propane tanks. If you want more information on this 2019 Eclipse Attitude 32 IBG, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number's 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.